Hi everybody, it's Dr. Bentley, and it's time for your first adjustment. Here in our office, this is something you'd expect on your first adjustment. Now, when you're getting adjusted in our office, you may hear some popping and cracking noises, and now that's just gases releasing from the joints. Now remember, that means nothing to us. The joints are going to move with or without that sound. Also, when you're on the table, our adjustments should be light, it should be gentle, it should be something with ease. If you're ever feeling any overpressure, anything that's too forceful, that's not the way to go. In our office, we like to work with the body, not against it. This is Dr. Bentley, schedule at lowechiropractic.com.